How to invite friends in Novelah. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can invite friends in Novelah, and here is how to go about it. So, inviting friends to Novelah is a great way to earn points and enhance your reading experience. The first step is to download the Novelah application if you've not, and then after you've downloaded it, just go ahead and open up the app. So after opening the app, you'll be brought to the home page where you see the different novels that you can get on this app. And then the next thing to do is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely home, ranking, invite, follow me. Just go ahead and click on invite. Alright, so after clicking on invite, you'll be brought to the invite page. On this page, the next thing to do is to navigate to your invite option. Now you can see the right up which says each of your new friend invitation gives you 180,000 points. So this is your invitation code. So you can just copy this here and then send it to all of your friends. All right. So when they download the app and they are prompted to input the referral code, once they type it in into the box displayed, you would receive points. Okay, then another thing is by making use of the referral link. All right, so you can just click on the link here to get your click here to invite on the page, and then you can see invite friends, the invitation message you suggested, and all of that. So you can decide to share this using any social media platform, any of the social media platform displayed here, or you can click on the share button. So whenever people or your friends download the app using that link that you shared with them, you would get points. The 180,000 points promised to you would be gotten. Or anytime they input in the referral code that you have, it is yours into the box when they are asked to input referral and all of that. Whenever they input it in, you would also get reward for that. So this is basically how you can invite friends, okay? You can either make use of the code or you can make use of the link. Thanks for watching and have a good day.